Came out of the blue. I mean, I didn't realize how weak my heart was. I have breakfast in the morning, I put my head on the kitchen table and I fall asleep. It was getting crazy. I couldn't make it up a flight of stairs. I was like halfway and I'd have to stop for a second and then continue the rest of the way up.
I would be sleeping and I could hear him going. And then all of a sudden he wouldn't. And this would go on 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off for the longest time. And it's either he gets a transplant or he's not going to make it. To see someone circling the drain, it's not easy.
At that point, that's when everything started to go into play for the HeartMate 3, to realize that you got to get this thing done because you just can't live like this. You don't have much time left because your heart is just too weak.
The HeartMate 3 is what gets him to live now.
Things have just gotten so much better with the HeartMate 3. It just helped me tremendously to really start to enjoy a quality of life that was really missing for quite a while. I didn't realize how much. We're starting to do more again, which we should instead of doing less. And the HeartMate 3 has been the piece that has brought all that together, and it's been great. It really has.
He gets to enjoy everything now.
I can enjoy my grandkids like crazy, which was tough before.
They're always there to see my orchestra concerts, band concerts, like awards nights, my brother's baseball games. He is always joking. He just makes friends with people everywhere he goes. He just loves us all and like loves everything that he does. So.
Without it, I probably wouldn't be around to see them as much as I would want to have. I mean, I don't know how much time I would have had. I mean, my heart was really dying. It really was. And the HeartMate 3 just brought me back and made me be able to enjoy the kids in a way that I wasn't able to before, because I am so freaking proud of all of them. I mean, it's like unbelievable.